What's the word for this? What's the modern word for this? He's trolling. Is that the word? I mean, to say he loves the military show of force like you would see in North Korea or in Russia or whatever. A military power parade. And you can, the left is fit to be tied over this. You don't do this. You don't. The U.S. military is the focus of evil in the modern world. You do not display your might and power this way. This is horrible. It's got them just totally unhinged. And I think for that reason, Trump would do it. I think Trump loves running scams on these people, just like the scam that was run on Pennsylvania. But now you really got me. I've got a whole stack of stuff like this in it that is not here anywhere, but I know I picked it. Let me stick with the phone, and I'll dig it up. It's Kathy in Alamo, Texas. It's great to have you with us.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm talking to you.
Well, I'm glad that you are. It's great to have you here with us.
Oh, thank you so much. My mother got me listening to you back in the early 90s.
God damn it.
God bless you.
Fucking thing. Fucking little son of a bitch.
No, we're from Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Fuck, get the fuck away from me before I fucking run you over.
Oh,
fucking
you're
asshole.
Still in Pennsylvania, but you're escaping the weather.
Yes.
Gotcha.
But she also got us listening to a Mannheim Steamroller because
fucking asshole.
Do you still like them?
Absolutely.
Good.
Absolutely. But here's my question that I just don't understand.
Fucking piss me right off, man.
I'm hoping
give me the fucking
explain to me because I've never really heard
fucking
anything
stupid
on
things
any
that
of
fucking
the,
happens to me, right? Goes my fucking food. I make it
well.
fucking all the way from Providence to my fucking street, and then some fucking dickhead's dog gets out of his fucking yard, and there goes my fucking food all over the goddamn floor. You fucking piece of shit. Fuck off. Should have ran that fucking mutt right over it. Ba-boom. Fucking son of a bitch.
And instead of Hillary, it seemed to me that it makes more sense that they would rather have Hillary as president.
Oh yeah!
Continue to do basically nothing to stop Putin from any of his activities. And also because of the original beauty pageant.
Fucking tired of shit, man.